Hello there, Blue Lagoon Condominium residents and YouTube. On Tuesday, October 29th, the roof replacement project on Building 3 began. Well, first things first, the delivery of materials needs to take place. The truck started arriving on the property at around 8:30 in the morning and didn't leave until about 4:30 in the afternoon. There is a lot of coordination that needs to happen just for delivery of the material and safely getting the materials onto the roof. Then it was a nail biting process just to watch how they safely hoisted the materials. 17 floors up high and onto the roof of the building. Notice how the crane moves inch by inch. The slightest amount of wind could derail the process and jeopardize safety for the workers and the materials. Here's the installation of the trash chute in Building 3. Work will begin as soon as the weather allows. But first, let's take a look at the current condition of the roof on Building 3. As always, if you have any questions or would like to tour the completed roofs in Building 1 and 2, feel free to reach out to the office and a visit could be coordinated.